My dear student, you can just see the first question, and the question is the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2, and then you have to measure the each angle of a parallelogram. My dear, you know that in the case of any parallelogram, sum of its adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. And in this question, if you have considered two adjacent angles are 3x and 2x. Suppose that you have considered it as 3x and this is at 2x, because already angles has given in ratio, so you have to consider it as 3x and 2x. And you know in case of parallelograms, sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, and this is why 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. And if you do the calculation, then what you get, x is equal to 180 upon 5, which is equal to 36 degree. And when you get the value of x, then you have to put in the angle, and you can just find out each angle of this given parallelograms. And you can just calculate the first adjacent angles of parallelogram is equal to 3x, that means 108 degree. And the second adjacent angles of parallelogram, which is equal to 2x, and that is equal to 72 degree. When you get first and second adjacent angles, this angle has been given actually 108 degree, and this one has given 72 degree. And you also know that opposite angles of parallelograms are equal, and this is why this is also 108 degree, and this angle is equal to this angle, and this is why this angle is equal to 72 degree. And this is why all angles of a parallelograms are 108 degree, 72 degree, 108 degree, and 72 degree. My dear student, you can just see this question. If the measure of each of two equal angles of a quadrilateral is 65 degree, two angles has been given 65 degree, and other two angles are equal. And I have just supposed that one of two equal angle is equal to x degree. And you know that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree by angle sum property of quadrilateral, and this is why x plus 65 plus 65 is equal to 360 degree. And on doing the simplification, you can get x is equal to 115 degree, and therefore each of two equal angles must be 115 degree. That is the solution of this question. My dear student, you can just see that in this question, angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:3:7:9 has been given, and you need to find out the value of each angle and write down its name. Means you have to find out the name of the quadrilateral. And what is the solution of it? You can just see that let four angles of a quadrilateral are x, 3x, 7x, and 9x degree. I have just considered with the help of this ratio. And after that, you know that by the angle sum property, you know very well that x plus 3x plus 7x plus 9x is equal to 360 degree. And by doing the calculation, you can get x is equal to 18 degree, because 360 upon 20, you may just cross it, and the result is 18 degree, and this is why the value of x is 18 degree. And this is why you have to just put to find out all the angles of this quadrilateral. So four angles are 18 degree, 54 degree, 126 degree, and 162 degree. The second part of this question was the given quadrilateral is what? And the given quadrilateral is actually trapezium. And why it is a trapezium, you can just check. I just explain with the help of trapezium. You know that whose one pair of opposite sides are parallel, and you can just see the angles that you have just find out. You know very well that sum of these two angle, sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. This is 18 degree, 162 degree, 126 degree, and this one, the fourth one is 54 degree. And you can just notice that sum of these two angle is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, sum of these two angle is also equal to 180 degree, and this is why the given quadrilateral is a trapezium. My dear student, in the given question, you can just see that P is a point in the interior of angle AOB, and you know that interior, if this any of the point which is in the interior of the given angle, then it is known as interior of this angle. And you know that interior in the angle AOB, and you can just see that this is A, O and B here. It is the interior, and it is also has given that such that PM perpendicular on PM, you have to draw a perpendicular PM on a OA, and again PN is perpendicular. You can just see that perpendicular means 90 degree, and you have to draw PN perpendicular on AB. Such type of question has been given. And one more information has given in the question that angle AOB, this angle has been given 35 degree. Actually a quadrilateral has been formed OMPN, and in this quadrilateral three information has already been given: 90 degree, 90 degree and 35 degree, and you need to find the fourth angle, and that is actually MPN. You need to find out. And how can you calculate? You know that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So by the help of angle sum property of quadrilateral, you can calculate angle MP.